This is an example of how to write the explicit formula for a geometric sequence based on the first few terms of that sequence. So here we see the first four terms of our sequence, 3, 9, 27, and 81. What we need to do is first identify the first term, our A1 value. That is pretty straightforward. Our A1 is our first term, which in this case is 3. So I'm going to identify that by writing that down here. Now, my next step is to identify what my common ratio is. So I'm not adding because 3 plus 6 is 9, but 9 plus 6 is not 27. So I'm thinking about multiplication here. And when I think about that, I know that when I multiply by 3, multiplication times 3 times 3. Each time will give me the sequence. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, and 27 times 3 is 81. So I know that my common ratio is 3. So if I'm thinking about what gets replaced in the formula, an equals a1 times r to the n minus 1 power, I am replacing my a1 value and I'm replacing my r value. Everything else stays the same. So when I write my formula, I have an, which can be capital or lowercase, doesn't really matter, equals a1, which in this case is 3, times r, which is also 3, to the n minus 1 power. And that's how I write my explicit formula for a geometric sequence.